Let's go for a walk. The air feels nice. I want to run.
Slow down.
It's cooler now.
Yes, very comfortable.
I like evenings. Me too.
Look at the moon.
It's bright.
Very beautiful.
I agree.
What made you happy today?
Playing with friends. Drawing. Being together.
Time to get ready for bed.
I'll brush my teeth. Me too.
Good job. Do you want a story?
Yes, please. Story.
Let's listen.
Once there was a girl who loved animals. What did she do? She helped them every day.
Helping others is important.
Yes, it is.
It makes us kind.
I want to be kind.
What will we do tomorrow
Maybe go shopping.
if we finish early?
Good night, everyone. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm awake. Time to get up.
What would you like for breakfast?
Pancakes. Cereal.
Eggs for me. Sara.
Sarah, can you mix the batter?
Sure. I'll get plates.
Thank you.
Is it ready? Almost.
It smells good.
Yes, it does. I'll get plates. Thank you. Please pass the syrup. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll get plates.
Thank you.
What's your plan today? School? Playtime.
Work. Put on your jacket.
It's cold. I need my hands.
Are you ready for school?
Yes. I want to go too.
Soon. Have a great day.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. Hi.
Today we talk about hobbies.
That sounds fun. I like drawing. I like reading.
What do you like to do?
I like swimming. I like playing soccer.
Great.
We're pairs. Work in pairs. Let's work together.
Okay. I don't understand this. Let me explain.
Good teamwork. Close.
Well done. Thank you.
We did it. Yes. Let's play.
Okay. Catch me. I will. I'm tired.
Let's sit.
Good idea.
Yes.
What did you bring? A sandwich.
I have fruit. That's healthy. Page 15?
Yes. Open your books.
Okay.
Write 3 sentences.
Okay. I need help. I can help.
Thank you. You're welcome. Nice work. How was school?
Good.
What did you learn?
About hobbies.
What was your favorite part?
Playing at break time.
I played at home. Sounds fun.
Who wants a snack? I do. Me too. Wash hands first.
Apples. Apples. Crackers. Crackers. Apples. Both.
Apples are good for your body. They help our teeth.
That's right. I feel strong. Let's relax. I want to read. I want to play. Good ideas. Look at my picture.
That's great.
What is it? A house. You draw well. Thank you.
Keep practicing. You're improving.
What should we do tonight? Maybe play a game?
Yes, game! Oh.
Whose turn is it?
Mine! I want to go next.
Wait your turn.
I don't understand.
I'll explain. I can help too.
Good teamwork. You're doing great. Thank you.
Keep going.
We're proud. Let's go for a walk.
The air feels nice. I want to run.
Slow down.
It's cooler now.
Yes, very comfortable.
I like evenings.
Me too.
Look at the moon.
It's bright. Beautiful.
I agree. Playing at school. Drawing.
Being together. Time to get ready for bed.
I'll brush my teeth.
Me too.
Good job. Don't forget to wash your face.
I won't.
I did already.
Great. Once there was a boy who loved sports.
What did he play?
He played soccer every day.
I like soccer.
Playing sports keeps us healthy
Yes, it does.
and strong.
I want to be strong.